this question is an example of a rational expression. Rational expressions have these types of polynomial denominators. And the key is to kind of see what do they have in common. So looking at this one, there's a GCF, a greatest common factor. They both have a factor of xy. And if you divide them both by xy, you're going to get x here minus 8 here. And so we have y plus 12 over x minus 8 plus y times x minus 8 over xy times x minus 8. So if we want to get common denominators, the part on the left has to have this xy. So we can accomplish that by just multiplying the top and the bottom by xy. Now that is the number 1 because it's got the same thing on the top and the bottom. And you can multiply anything you want by the number 1, and it doesn't really change the value of it, but it gives us something that we can now combine. In the denominator, we can just imagine having xy times x minus 8, and that gives us the original thing we started with, which was the x squared y minus 8xy. And in the numerator, we've got xy times y plus 12. So if we distribute that, xy times y is xy squared. 12 times xy, 12xy. Y times x, xy. That should be in alphabetical order. That way we see the similarities between pieces that are in fact similar. And last but not least, y times negative 8, negative 8y. So now how can we combine this? Just simply the 12 and the 1xy should be combined to give you 13xy. So you've got xy squared plus 13xy minus 8y over x squared y minus 8xy. That was a mouthful. And that all seems to exactly match answer choice C.